So lots of you have asked me, how do I make my low sugar granola? So it's easier just to make it with you and show you. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. And most of the granolas we buy in the shops are high in carbohydrates, sometimes high in dried fruits. They can spike our blood sugars and they're more like eating biscuits for breakfast than granola. Granola is still a topping. It should be on top of your yoghurt and your fruit rather than star of the show.
But it's super easy. So I start with some oats, but I don't use very many. And then I add lots of other nuts and seeds. So coconuts, pumpkin seeds, I like a lot of them. So what you get is mostly nuts, which raise our blood sugars very slowly, but they've got the protein and fats that keep us full up for longer. Sunflower seeds, Brazil nuts, linseed seeds, they're quite nice. Flax seeds are really good for phytoestrogens, good for women in the menopause. And then pistachio nuts. So I keep these in the freezer. I buy them in a big bag, so much cheaper. Put some chia seeds in there. So what I've got is this smorgasbord of seeds. How much maple syrup? Not very much, just a little bit, just a tablespoon or so. And then I personally add olive oil because I prefer using olive oil in my cooking. So a little bit of olive oil, again just a little bit over the top. And then you mix it through. And then we bake it in the oven for about 20 minutes on 180 so it starts to go brown and crispy. Oh, I nearly forgot. Add some cinnamon, gives it a nice taste, maybe a teaspoon. Now it is ready to go into the oven. And then you let it cool down and then you put it into a glass jar and it lasts for actually a few weeks.